So you're thinking of moving to Lisbon, Portugal. In today's video, I'll show you around a bit and we'll look at some neighborhoods, some different types of buildings. We'll discuss the variation in prices so you can see what might fit into your budget. If you stick around to the end, I'll let you in on a well-kept secret of Lisbon, Portugal. So you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. If this is your first time visiting our Living in Lisbon channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like to know everything there is about moving to Lisbon, then I recommend that you go ahead and tap the bell so that you'll be one of the first to know about any market changes and some of the very informative videos that we have planned for you. Not be touched.
there's
tamanho das ondas hoje, galera. Pra isso aqui, público lotando. Uou. Olha isso, olha isso, meu Deus, meu Deus do céu, olha essa onda. Uou. Tem que estar de trás, hein.
I'm Lisa, and I'm a member of the Living in Lisbon team. Every day we get calls from people just like you who are thinking about moving to Lisbon. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, we'd be happy to help you. Just call us. Our contact information is in the description below. You can schedule a call. I'd love to help you make a smooth move to Lisbon, Portugal.